Hello, and welcome to AccrediTalk, where I give you a bite-sized nugget of information about an accreditation standard that just might apply to your healthcare organization. My name is Tom Goddard. I'm the founder and CEO of Integral Healthcare Solutions, your destination for all your healthcare accreditation consulting needs. The particular accreditation standard I'll be talking about in this video is from URAC's Specialty Pharmacy and Mail Service Pharmacy version 4.0 accreditation programs. The particular standard is CPE 3-3, Consumer Safety Protocols. The veterans here will recognize this from Core 38 from the older standards. This standard simply requires that your organization has a clear policy that it implements on how to deal with the full array of scenarios that could threaten consumer safety. And it needs to be open-ended, this policy that you're implementing, so that it includes such scenarios as a suicidal caller or somebody in danger of abuse or drug recalls and much else. Anything that might fall into the category of consumer safety threat needs to be looped into this policy. The fundamental notion under this policy should be escalation. Get it into the right hands. And so everybody needs to be trained on this policy. So if somebody on the front line gets stuck with a call that they're not qualified to handle, they know what to do with it. One other key tip here is in the case of suicidal callers, URAC has a very specific requirement, unwritten in the standard, but absolutely a requirement, and that is that person is never placed on hold. If the person with the person on the phone needs help, that person will simply signal to some other person by raising their hand or putting up a sign or sending a text. But you never put a suicidal caller on hold. Other than that, you have a good deal of flexibility about how you design your policy, so long as it is broad enough to include all of the possible kinds of threats to consumer safety that you might encounter. Thanks for joining me for this episode of AccrediTalk. For my full interpretive guide on this standard and all the other standards, click on the link below this video on YouTube. And if you want to talk to me personally about how Integral Healthcare Solutions might be able to help your organization get accredited, click the scheduling link also below this video. Thanks, and I hope to meet you soon.